preview the garden free from Unity. I was impressed by it, and I was in editor version 2022.3.4, and all you have to do is click on Universal 3D Sample, put your project name, and click on Create Project. Okay, so once you're in your Unity project, under the root folder, the assets folder, you want to go down to scenes, and this time you want to choose garden. So go ahead and double click on the garden folder, and you can double click on the garden scene, and the garden will come up for you. And as always, I had to add a few things just to spice it up. But when I say I only added very few things, I mean, literally, I added very few things. I was really shocked, pleasantly surprised how much they gave in here. A regular garden like this would cost between $50 to $100. On the asset store now, and in Unreal, I don't even know how much it would cost. So this is, I mean, they gave the tree, the rocks, the pebbles, all of this is free. So why would I be so excited about it? Well, you can use this. What? Free in other projects. That's why I was just, look at the sky. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you what it looks like, and then I'm going to go over something, a piece of code that they gave that I really like, and I think you should use it in all projects. Oh, let me look. Oh, this is pretty cool. I want to see how big this is in here. Look at that. I should have had somebody up here looking out. I could do a lot with this. Okay, so let me go ahead. I'm going to play so you can see what it looks like. Let me maximize this. Let me hit play. what we're going to do, we're going to play around with the first person controller. And I'm going to go. Now, the first person controller, it has a script. I'm going to disable the cinematic timeline. I'm just going to choose don't choose any timeline. And let me make sure that's disabled. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's click on play. Maximize this. Now this is the first person controller. And what you want to do, whoa, that's really sensitive. You want to click on W to go forward. I love the birds in here. Those are not pretty. Okay, I think I'm gonna go on vacation now. This is so magical. I just love this. But that's what it looks like with the first person. I would change the first person controller on here. It's a little bit too sensitive. And also, it doesn't have like the space bar programmed already for jump. So I would change the first person controller. Otherwise, this is just perfect. Look at that. Isn't that just, it just relaxes you, and that's what it's supposed to be about, you know? Anyway, I hope everybody has a good day, and as always, happy coding.